Welcome back to Help Create HTML Tutorials. I'm back with another amazing video. Before we get into the video, Merry Christmas to all of you. May this Christmas bring joy and happiness to you. In this video, we're going to be learning how to insert an image in a web page. We can use different fonts and lists in a HTML document. Similarly, we can add graphics to make the document look more attractive. Web browsers support a number of graphic formats. These are the two most widely used formats. Number one, graphic interchange format, which is GIF. GIF is the best format for displaying images designed with a graphic program. This format uses a maximum of 256 colors in a combination of these to create more colors. Then we've joined photographic expert group JPEG. JPEG is the best format for photographs as it contains 1 million colors. Image tag or IMG tag. The image tag specifies an image to be displayed in a HTML document. This is how we use the tag. Image src, the image scroll URL, align or alignment, border width value, height value, width value, alt text. So here we have a table about the attributes, explanation, attribute value and examples. So src, it specifies the URL of the image to be displayed in document. URL is the attribute value and example is image src equal to school.gif. Align, so specifies the alignment of the image top, bottom and middle. Specifically, the vertical alignment of the text adjacent to the image, left, right, top, bottom, middle. So example is image src equal to school.gif, align equal to right. Border, it specifies the thickness of the border surrounding the image. The attribute value is pixels and the example is image src equal to school.gif, border 3. Height, it specifies the height of the image, pixels or percentage, image src, school.gif, border 3, height 240. You can also mention it in percentage like 40% or 240% or anything. So width, it specifies the width of the image, pixels or percentage. So image src equal to school.gif, border equal to 3, height equal to 240 and here width is mentioned in percentage, so it is 50%. Alt, it specifies the text to be displayed while the file loads or if the browser does not support graphics. So the attribute value is text and the example is image src school.gif. Alt equal to picture of the school. So I'm done with the format part. Now let's just insert the image src equal to, put it in double brackets. So Santa Claus dot jpg. So you can come to know about your image format by right clicking on the image. You can go to properties and you can find out it. For some images it can be png also. So we'll first see how the image is getting inserted and then we'll try adding the attributes and all. So body, and one more main thing is that we should keep the image and the web page in a same location. Like if the image is placed in the desktop, the web page also should be saved in the desktop or else the image won't appear. Now let's save this and see the result. So this is what I got. So just say whoo to problems. So here comes Santa Claus to bring us gifts. So this is what the result is, and we'll just add some attributes, try bringing the image to the center and try adding some text and give this web page a beautiful look. So here align equal to, let's align it in the middle will give it a good look, and width let's give it for now 15%. Then height, let's, okay, this will try it in number type, so 56 would be fine. And then we'll take the border, so border we'll take it as 4 for now. So we'll just add a closing bracket and we'll just save this and see the result. So the image size is very small because we have given small amounts. So I think this 15 should be 80 and this should be 90. And let's save it and let's see. Okay, the height is not working because I think we didn't add the percentage. Okay, let's just add the percentage and see. Oh, it's a very beautiful picture. It came out. It's not just aligning into the middle because this is only the middle. We don't have any other middle, is what I think. Okay, let's align some other direction. Okay, let's align it right. Okay, let me click it, save, and then. Ooh, okay, it's aligning right. Not able to align the center. Okay, something. We're gonna try to fit in our text here now. So I'm done with writing all the text and then I've added some BG color, background color, font size. So let's just click Control S so it got saved. Now let me open the web page. Oh, the web page looks more colorful. Oh God. Okay, so let's read it out. Just say, by Santa Claus, Merry Christmas to all. May this Christmas bring joy and happiness to you and your family. Santa Claus is bringing you awesome gifts. Decorate your house with beautiful Christmas tree, lights, and more decorative items. Merry Christmas to all again. So enjoy this Christmas with your family and friends. So we've reached to the end of the video. Do comment me how the web page was. Thank you. Wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help create HTML tutorials. For more updates from my side, do activate the bell icon. Bye bye.